Hey everyone, I'm Colette Zaharko and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a spaghetti sauce. A jarred spaghetti sauce tastes so much better.
I'll show you how to make it. Simple jarred spaghetti sauce tastes like it is homemade. This recipe is so delicious. It's so easy to make and you don't need a lot of ingredients. The best thing about this recipe is that it's so affordable and you can do it in under 30 minutes. So let me show you how to make it. So we're going to need some ground beef. The ground beef will add more flavors to the spaghetti sauce and also for some extra protein. You can also use some ground pork if that's what you have in hand. That's totally fine. We are also going to need a canned petitas tomatoes. I prefer to use the Italian style petitas tomatoes because it already has some basil, garlic and oregano in it, which will make the sauce taste so good. The tomatoes are also going to give the sauce a very nice chunky texture. And of course, we need the jarred spaghetti sauce. I'm using the Classico brand in this recipe. I really like this brand. This one is the Italian sausage. It has some sausages and bell peppers in it, which will make this sauce chunky and flavorful and gives you that homemade spaghetti look. But you can also use any of your favorite brands for this recipe. And we're also going to need some finely chopped onions. We need about a half cup of these chopped onions. The onions will make this dish taste so good. And we need some minced garlic. It will make the dish smell so good. And for the seasoning, we need some black pepper. It's going to add spiciness and heat to the sauce. We also need some dried oregano for some extra flavor. And some dried Italian herb seasoning. And some fresh basil. This is optional, but the basil will really make this sauce taste incredible. Alright, let's start cooking. Once the water is boiling, go ahead and cook your spaghetti. I'm using the angel hair spaghetti and it only takes 4 to 5 minutes to cook. It cooks so fast. And I already added some salt to the water, so don't worry, just in case you're wondering why I didn't add salt to the water. And go ahead and cook the spaghetti according to the instructions written on the package. To make the spaghetti sauce, add some olive oil to the heated pan. Add the chopped onion, the minced garlic, and give it a good stir for about 1 minute or until the onions are translucent. Now add the ground beef. Mix it well and cook until the ground beef is brown for about 4 to 5 minutes. Just a quick note real quick, I used lean ground beef in this recipe, so I don't need to drain the meat, but if you need to drain your meat, go ahead and drain it. You can now add the canned petitas tomatoes, the jarred spaghetti sauce, give it a good stir, then add the Italian herb seasoning, the dried oregano, and the black pepper. Mix it very well. And now add the basil leaves. And mix, mix, mix. Now put the lid on and allow it to boil for a few minutes. Sorry, I forgot to mention that we need some sugar to help balance the acidity of the sauce. The jarred spaghetti sauce is a little too acidic, so we need the sugar to relieve that acidity. And now the sauce is going to taste amazing. So that's it, we're done. Look, you can see the green bell peppers from the jarred spaghetti sauce. And the petite diced tomatoes. The sauce looks homemade and tastes amazing. You can save so much time and money by making this recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed it.
So we're done, and let's see how it tastes. Okay, so just real quick, I added more of the spaghetti sauce on it, and then I added some chopped fresh parsley, and then some Parmesan cheese. Okay, let's see. I'm so hungry. Okay. Are you hungry? Okay, just a second. Okay. Okay. You also wants to taste. Okay, come on. Yummy, huh? Oh. Okay, look at the camera and say hi. That's Nusi. Alright guys, so that's how I make my spaghetti sauce using jarred store-bought spaghetti sauce. So I hope you like it, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, or comment on this video. Thank you so much, and you all have a great day. Bye bye.